Can't believe this. Oh well, welcome back to the FOFB, guys. Thanks for clicking on. And I'm getting a pull. Here we go. Heart's pumping away. Oh. See how we get on here. Adrenaline's running. Always wonder what happens if you just ignored them and just carried straight on. What would we do? What would be the result? Not bad yourselves. GBT. Huh? Where's Mahego? Don't worry, I'll keep it going for us. I'll be there for it. Is that a busy day today?
Always busy.
Oh, good. Don't want to get it.
No, it's alright, I will do. Where have you come from?
Euro auctions this morning.
Over at Leeds?
Yeah, tipped reloaded and then. Alright.
Leeds or Les Mahego?
Yeah.
We're going in a minute.
Yep. Oh! See how we get on. See, the thing is, if you be decent with them, you got half a battle. You know what I mean? Don't be rude and uptight. Like, that's what I say, but be as best you can and be as polite as you can. That's me getting summoned into the bay. We'll film as much as we can, guys, but we've got to treat with respect. I always feel when it's like when, you know, weed Euro auctions, I'm not keen on it. Like, I know it sounds bad, but I always feel when they're checking, like, when they ask where you came from, you say Leeds or where you go, and they're quite judgmental on it. Could be wrong, but it does feel like that, but that's just my paranoia. There's a lot of them here today, there's a lot of them. I don't think I'll get out here if there'll be something, they'll say something about something. I don't know what they'll say, but we'll see how we get on. I do have a couple of tackle infringements that I do have my printouts. We're still getting checked. They came in and downloaded my card. So they do maintenance check, load check, tackle check, just check, make sure you do everything right. I mean, this is just like 3 weeks out of inspection, but anything can happen between then. You can cut a cord in the inside tyre, but I don't know, they've got a lot of interest at the back end of the trailer and I don't know why. Something's wrong here. Oh. That's one of the most intense bits done, out the shed. We're not out the woods yet, but we're out the shed. Well, vehicles in, there's a trailer tied up, there's a showman in, but I think he's all good. That's a tidy outfit for a show trailer. Now, the good news is, maintenance or sound, he was really like happy with that. That's what he said to me, he says your maintenance is good. He said your steering box has got a wee sweat on it, a leak, so he says I'll just give you a wee advisory for that, but it's not like I'm going to have to rip out the steering box here. So tyres, everything all good, so that means a lot to me because the maintenance is the best thing, really. So that's taking a bit of the pressure off, but we've still got to pass tacos. I've given them my infringement print out, I've shown them all my other stuff, so I'm just going to sit and wait for them to come over to me. Ugh. So guys, I thought this would be a great moment to say hit my merch store. We've got brand new hats, new designs, hoodie of the new pin-up girl. Obviously you still get a chance to win the UTV light kit, which is spot lamps, tail lamps and dog legs. So any purchase you make over 20 quid automatically enters you in for a chance to win the UTV light kit. So just go to Flat Out Flat Broke and we've got have a chance to win. Oh, know what the funny thing is, right? See my 2 best videos that I've ever done on YouTube. I make as best videos I can, big machines, real good stuff, and they get like, you know, 50, 60, some get maybe nearly 100,000 views, and I'm really happy with that. But the times I've been pulled into the checkpoint, 500,000 views, no bother. So there's more people waiting to see me fail than there is to see me succeed. But I don't care. But we'll get in and out, hopefully all right. Honestly, I was really stressing there because the last time I got pulled into here at Carlisle, I didn't get a good result. I was overweight on my axle weights. I know we don't exactly have a big load on right now, but still, you're just always worried because it means like it's your livelihood. So that's the shed. I was in there, just got checked, everything, and then I've pulled out. There's a weigh bridge as well. They'd not weighed me because I wasn't that heavy. Well, clearly because I've only just got another trailer on, so they know I'm not going to be that heavy. But still, and then go across the scales just over the pit. Oof. Last time I got pulled into Carlisle, it was not good. I didn't get a green light. I was overweight by 280 kilos on one axle, so we had to just get the weight off. I took wheels and stuff off. Michael came out and I unbolted wheels and took the outrigger boards out and everything, and it all goes against your score. So that's good for my score. It's like a credit check basically. Oh, can't believe this. Can't believe it. We got the all clear. Proper good checks, good tackles, good maintenance, good everything. That is a result. That is a green light. That is good for my score. That is, oh, I love a win like that. See times you've been pulled in, you're like, oh God, we're done, we're done, we're done. Result. That is brilliant, because I am up for renewal, and that'll help towards me getting a new operator's license. Well, a renewal. Oh, who's phoning me now? Well, that'll be the retention dropped in the video then, because everybody was hoping for me to get a bad tug will be, ah, bugger, I'm off, ah! But the rest of you that have stayed, they'll be cheering me on. I appreciate all yous, yous are the best. So buzzing. Buzzing! Buzzing we got in and out of there! No bother! See when you get a pull and you're in and out, no bother. Oh, it's great, it's a win! Right. Gilmore. Right, I am in Gilmore's yard to deliver him. Guess what?
What?
I got pulled by a Dvsa.
Did you?
Yeah, check
Well,
it.
it wasn't my trail then.
No, we know what they said, and that's what I want to get you in video, because this is what they said. Where you came from, where are you going? And I said, going to Les Mahego. Where in Les Mahego? GBT. Who's GBT? What's that? I'm like, Gilmore's. Right.
Well, less said about that the better.
Yeah. Do I bring the tug in? Up there, do the same. So at one time, Robert actually had his own lorries before he used to sell trailers, and I actually remember, I think it was the second time I met him at the Transport Awards. He just won Environmental Haulier of the Year. He was on the front cover of Transport News. He had gas-powered trucks, he was doing a lot of work, and he lost his operator's licence all the same week. I hope he doesn't mind me saying that, but I was like, that's like winning the league while getting relegated at the same time. So hence why they were asking, where you go into, and they ask these questions and all that. But like I said, the job, the tug went good. I got a green light. My truck and trailer were all maintenance sound. My load was all sound. My tackle was all good. There'll be loads of people disappointed about that, because they'll be just waiting for me to fail, and I know that. Like I said, my best videos on social media has been when I've been in handcuffs by the police but I wasn't getting arrested, when I've been in a ditch with a lorry which I got out with no damage, and when I've been getting pulled by the Dvsa at checkpoints. They're all my most viral videos. But sorry. To everyone that continues to support me, I appreciate it, and I will drop a discount code for the merch store as well, right? Remember to like and definitely share word about this video. I want people to know that I got the pull and I was all good, and I really do appreciate it, guys. And as always, flat out, flat broke. Whoosh. Okay guys, it's actually a couple of days after I got pulled into the checkpoint at Todd Hills there. And I just wanted to address a couple more things in this video on regarding it. Now the first thing is, I don't mind getting stopped. Yes, it is nerve-wracking, it is stressful, but it is part of the job. And when I do get stopped, and obviously everything goes well like it did, it's good for my OCR score, right? Which I explained to you when it comes to transport is like credit check on your operator's license. So that has been a good pull. And I've been pulled multiple times as an owner-operator. Yeah, and yes, I have had a bad occasion with a pull, but you learn from it and you move forward with it. I've had like multiple good pulls, which is great for my score. I've said in a previous video as well, when you do get stopped by the Dvsa at a checkpoint, if you haven't ever been stopped, show a good attitude, treat with respect. If you jump out all attitude-y and all that kind of stuff, you're already just going to give yourself a hard time. Treat them with respect, because you want to be treated with respect as well, right? They are there to do a job, and that is the end of it. We just have to work with it. And I know there'll be people in the comments saying, ah yeah, but if you got done, you'd be saying the opposite. I'm not going to lie, yes, there is certain rules I definitely do not agree with. I think there's certain things that are a wee bit outdated and need updated, but I don't make the rules. They don't make the rules, I suppose, as well. They just enforce them, and that is the law and lie of it. The only way to deal with it is to just do your best and keep up on top of all your kit and just do the job to your best abilities, and always learn from mistakes and just keep proceeding forward. That's what I try to do. And yes, and it is a lot of work at the same time, but there's not a better feeling going past a checkpoint and knowing that everything's okay and feeling confident in getting pulled. Even saying that, I always get nervous, but that's just me being a wee bit OCD on the situation and wanting everything to be 100%. Now the funny thing is, since I was pulled, yes, there's gossip going round and my lorry's been impounded, all the sorts, the usual things with, and it's all gossip, there's no evidence, there's no facts, nobody knows what happens until this video came out and you can see I've got the green light, and even then they'll just deny the truth when it's in front of them. People deny the truth with evidence, okay, but they believe lies and gossip with nothing in front of them. It's just the world we live in. But anyway guys, thanks very much for watching my channel. Like, share, comment on this video and tell me what you think of your own thoughts. Also, word of mouth, get it out there, because people are, I just want my channel to grow, and I really do appreciate all your support. And to every one of my haters that are watching, if you're still watching to this point, right, thank you. I always have to show appreciation to yourself as well. But as always guys, fly out, flat broke, ooshed.